After losing 4 days of training due to breaches of their quarantine protocols, the West Indies team has been given the all-clear to travel to Queenstown ahead of 2 practice matches. The West Indies team had been allowed to train in small groups while undergoing a mandatory 14-day isolation, but the Ministry of Health revoked that privilege on Wednesday after it discovered players had shared food and socialized together. It was confirmed on Thursday that all members of the squad had cleared their 3rd batch of COVID-19 tests, which were conducted on day 12 of their stay, and they are scheduled to leave isolation on Friday. The team will have 2 warm-up games against New Zealand A ahead of the start of the T20 International Series on November 27. West Indies head coach Phil Simmons, who called the incident embarrassing, has been quoted by the News Hub as saying his team would be scrambling to get up to speed, having had their training privilege removed.